overall, matagal nang niyakap ng mga tao tong company na to. If we're going to look on my screen, again, the Amazon Prime, the Netflix, the Disney, the Sums, the Costco, ay the popular membership company na hindi nagbabalik bayad bukod tanging si Livegood lang. So para malaman po natin, kikita kay Livegood pag nagpa-member po tayo, yan, tutukan po natin. Ano po ang ginawa ni Livegood? Who is the model of Livegood? Amazon. Kilala niyo po ba si Amazon? Si Amazon po ang isa sa pinakakilalang, napakalaki po yan na na online shopping store in the whole universe. Pero noong 1995, pinagtawanan po yan. Bakit? On July 16, 1995, Amazon officially opens its business as an online bookseller. Ang sabi ng iba, hindi yan sasabog, hindi yan puputok. Kasi bakit? Online bookseller. It's just like ngayon po kay Livegood na sinasabi nila, hindi papatok si Livegood. Pero tingnan nyo po, in the early 2000, Amazon went well beyond books, videos, and music, offering clothing, electronic toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription. Guys, makinig kayong maigi ha. So si Livegood launched globally on December 13, 2022 with its business of a membership that pays is starting with high quality and a very affordable natural products again and again. Ano ang ginawa ni Amazon nung nag-start? Selling online books pero nag-innovate. Anong ginawa ni Livegood? Nag-start po siya saan? Sa high quality products. But ito, pakinggan nyo. Tutok po tayo dito. Livegood will add more products and services in the near future. Why? We will be the Amazon of network marketing. We will be the first network marketing that the concept is like Amazon. Imagine mo na lang, 5 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, gusto mong bumili ng gadgets na napibili mo sa Livegood because you are member of Livegood, nakasubscribe kay Livegood. Bibili ka ng mga clothing na bibilin mo kay Livegood. Magta-travel ka, mag-a-avail ka ng mga discounts sa mga airlines, sa mga hotels na malaki. Bakit? You are with Livegood. Guys, napakalaki ng opportunity, napakalaki, napakagandang oportunidad. Ang Livegood, tingnan nyo po itong pinipresent ko sa inyong opportunity ng malayuan. Huwag pong malapitan. Okay, who is the persons behind this brilliant platform? Ben Glensky. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. Sino si Ben Glensky? Isa po siya dating networker. Dinaanan niya po ang pag-build ng organization. But then again, ang dami niya na po talagang pera. Sobra-sobra ang pera that he really want to help people not only in America but throughout the whole universe. That's why pinanganak po si Livegood. At kung bakit po successful ang Livegood in a very short period of time, because true leadership creates true success. Kung titingnan po natin sa screen, here are the team of Livegood, the Director of Product Development, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, and the Director of Product Education, Lisa Goodkin, the Director of Network Marketing, si Norder Kersan. Guys, makinig kayo sa sasabihin ko. In my presentations, I will not go in deep with the product presentations. What are the products? What are the component of products para sa produkto? Bakit? Hindi na namin yan pinapaliwanag sa presentation because this is very accessible. If you're going to type on YouTube, you can watch the videos, recorded videos of Director of Product Development and Director of Product Education, itong mag-asawa si Dr. Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin. Ini-explain po nila lahat ng mga components ng mga products para sa anyong produkto. Panoorin niyo po, marami po kayong matututunan. So ano po ang mission ni Livegood? To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. It's time to make a change. It's time to make a change. Tingnan niyo po yung mission ni Livegood sa screen. Ano po ulit? Ito po yung kailangan nating i-internalize. Ito po yung kailangan i-align natin yung sarili natin sa mission. Ano ang gagawin natin once you become a member of Livegood? To educate people. Magtuturo po tayo sa mga tao na maging healthy, na hindi po taas ang bulsa. Bakit? We have an access with these high quality products at very affordable price. Guys, napakagaan ng mission po natin and this is very exciting na araw-araw gusto mong lumabas ng lumabas, kumausap ng mga tao to educate them to get healthy. Again, anong ginagawa pagka affiliate ka ng Livegood? Tayo po ay nag-share, hindi po tayo nag-o-offer. No, hindi tayo nag-o-offer. Kung bakit ang iba nahihirapan mag-build ng organization, magpa-join, mag-enroll, it's because nag-o-offer po sila. No? Kaya kapag sinabi ng kanilang kausap, ay hindi dyan, ayaw ko yan. So ang akala nila po, sila po ay na-reject. No? Parang may training yung aking presentation. No? Pero tip ko lang kasi sa inyo, no? I-align po natin ang sarili natin for those majority of the attendees natin here inside the Zoom are members. I-align po natin yung sarili natin sa mission ni Live Good. Dahil pag ito po ang na-internalize po natin, mabilis tayong mag-grow with our business. Look at my screen. Ano pang nakalagay dyan? The caricature, the story of David and Goliath. So, sino si David? Ito pong Live Good. Sino si Goliath? The price gouging MLM company. Ito yung mga present companies sa network marketing. Hindi tayo nagbabadmouth ha. Pero ang katotohanan kasi ngayon, ito yung mga company na nagbebenta ng mga mamahaling products para lang may pambayad sila sa mga distributors, para may pambigay silang incentives sa mga distributors. In Live Good, wala nang ganon. Bakit? We are subscription membership company. Hindi tayo kailangan magmahal ng products. Mahalin mo na lang yung mga business partners natin para matulungan silang mag-grow at matupad ang mga pangarap nila. Bakit? Tingnan mo ha, bakit natalo ni Live Good si Goliath? No? Because ang sabi ni Sir Nodrick Kisan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yung pagbebenta ng mga mamahaling products. Nandito na po ang Live Good. Naabot kaya po ng bulsa natin ang halaga ng mga produkto. The question is, what are the product of Live Good? All of our products are made in the USA. Pag sinabi natin na gawang Amerika, yan po ay, kung hindi man lahat, majority, di kalidad. Imported, no? Ito ang product natin approved by the GMP. Pag sinabi mong approved ng GMP, yan po ay dumaan sa mahabang proseso, no? Kaya yan tinataka ng good manufacturing process, no? Plus, our products are lab tested for purity and potency. Nasusundan niyo po bang sinasabi ko? Ano po ang ibig sabihin niyan? All of our products are natural. Walang halong chemical. Guys, grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Live Good products. Hindi ko po na-update ha, sorry ha, hindi ko na-update ang slide ko. But these are the products officially available at the back office of Live Good. The collagen peptides. Anong sinasabi ng iba? Uminom ka ng collagen para gumanda ang balat at gumanda ka. No! Sa totoo lang, side effect na lang yan. Kasi this is the best antioxidants. Ang nililinis po niyan is yung liver natin. Pag nalinis po ang liver natin, anong nangyayari sa atin? Side effect, puputi, gaganda. So tingnan mo na, naging healthy ka na, maganda ka pa. What about the nootropic brain booster, the sleep patches, and the energy focus patches? Guys, these products are needed, very needed po to ng mga aging people, including myself. Ayan na, sinama ko ang sarili ko. Have you experienced yung labas-pasok ka sa bahay nyo? Tapos pagdating mo sa loob, sasabihin mo, ano nga yung kukunin ko? Guys, you need the nootropic brain booster para lalong gumagana ang utak natin. Sino po ang mga best friend dyan ni Judith? Judith ng tubig, Judith ng utang kay ganito, kay kumari, kay ganyan, hindi na makatulog. Guys, you can use the sleep patches. Kahit humilik ka pa dyan, kahit baon ka sa utang. Pero since nasa Live Good ka na, hindi ka na po mababaon sa utang, mababayaran mo na yan. But then again, through the help of the sleep patches, magkakaroon ka po ng parang babying tulog using this product. Grabe! Napakatindi ng effect ng produktong to. What about the energy and focus patches? Some of us nagko-complain with the whole activity and our daily life. Sasabihin natin, pagod na ako, wala na akong energy. Guys, using this product, you have more energy. So, lagi kang happy. Guys, grabe to. Subukan niyo po itong mga product na to. So, since napakaganda po yung product natin, how do I order products? No? You can order as consumer or as a member. Bilang consumer, you can pay ng mababang presyo, pero pag member ka, mas mababa po ang presyo niya. Again, nakikita nyo ba? Pag member ka, mas mababa ang presyo niya. Pag member ka kasi, you can save up to 75% compared to the products in other network marketing companies. Again, ang makukuha mo pag miyembro ka, you will enjoy all the benefits of being the member plus 75% off compared of the products out in the market. Guys, price comparison po tayo, patunayan po natin to vouch. Gano'ng baba, gano'ng mamura ang produkto ng Live Good. Yung iba isipin, ang baba ka naman na compromise na yung bigat. No, ang taas po ng quality nito. Just to give you an information and additional with this, mayroon po yung certificate of analysis na makikita nyo po once you become member of Live Good. Tingnan nyo po ang nasa screen ko po, 750 ml CBD oil, no? Napaka-effective po niyan. $18 lang. compared with the Green Roads and Young Living, napakaliit, pero magkano binibenta? 89.99, 79.95. May personal experience in our CBD oil, napakaganda po nito. When I was in Bicol, ulan init po doon, konting drop lang po niya sa ilalim ng dila ko, yung aatakihin ako ng asthma, hindi po yan natutuloy. Napakaganda ng product. I-convert natin sa peso, magkano ba yung Coach Jericho? $18. That's amounting to 1,000 something plus. So, ang mahal naman pala, no? Kung isang pesos mo laklakin, mahal talaga yan. Pero guys, nag-aapat, nag-limang buwan yan. You divide it every month, ang value lang po yan parang 150. 150 pesos lang yan per month, but the product is very effective. Ay, grabe, subukan nyo yan, guys. What about this green, super greens? Guys, the super greens, if you're familiar with the green barley, mabibili nyo po ang green barley. Green barley lang po ang nasa loob ng tulad yan na container. Well, as guys, take note ha, ang barley po is one of the component lang. Dito po, para saan po ito? Immune protection, energy and protection, energy and recovery, stress support, and what? Digestive in health. Kung may mga kakilala yung hirap mag-poops, constipated, mga taong hindi na nakakakain ng gulay, no? Ito po ang solution para sa kanila, no? Again and again, kumpara po doon sa isang produkto na nabibili po natin na talagang ano lang, tawag dito, isa lang, ito component lang po ang barley dito sa super greens. Lahat ng klase ng greens nandiyan na po. Tingnan niyo po ang presyo natin. Again, $18. Tumatagal po yan ng 4 to 5 months, depende po sa paggamit po natin. Kaya sobrang napakamura lang yan. Compared with Organifi Green Juice, $69.99. Athletic Greens is $99.99. Mas mura po kay Live Good. What about here? Comparison between the member price and the retail price. Kung member ka po, tingnan niyo pang screen, the Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for men and women, pag member ka, mabibili po ng 9.95 lang. Pero pagka ikaw po ay retailer, mabibili mo po ng 17.95. Kung gusto mo lang kung maging healthy as a member, you can makakatipid ka ng 50%. Pero kung magbebenta ka, tumubo ka kaagad ng 50%. Napakagandang produkto. What about healthy organic weight management coffee with mushroom? Guys, naranasan nyo na ba yung sunod-sunod na kape? Araw-araw those coffee available in the commercial in the market, tumataas ang uric acid nyo. Naalala na ano niyo yan? Minsan nagiging constipated po tayo. So guys, our organic coffee is talagang sobrang napaka-safe po niyan. Kasi what? This is a healthy organic weight management coffee with mushroom. Plus this one, napakasarap nitong complete plant-based protein. Timplahin niyo po ito sa napakalamig na tubig. Inumin nyo kaysa naman po doon sa mga iniinom ng mga kabataan ngayon, ano, yung mga shake. Guys, mag-shake ka talaga dyan pag tumaas ang iyong sugar. Nako, ano ang katapat niyan? Gamutan. Ito guys, these are all natural. Magiging healthy ka na, magiging beauty ka pa, kumikita ka na, nakakatulong ka pa. Alright? So ngayon, how to become a Live Good member? Simple lang. You can register with your sponsor's link or you can pay 9.95 to become a Live Good member. Magkano yung 9.95? Parang 590 lang yan. Pag naisip mong 590, baka akala mo mahal, ay nako, para ka lang kumakain ng korneto araw-araw. Guys, pag tinignan mo yan ng pangmalayuan dahil negosyo po yan, murang-mura po yan. Okay? You can buy product at wholesale price, meaning kahit isa lang pong produkto ang bibilihin mo, ikaw po ay naka-discount. No? Hindi kailangan bulto-bulto. Then you will stay active by paying your monthly membership kasi again, Live Good is a membership company that pays. So guys, sa napakagandang produkto po natin, sa